We've been working with Fsas Technologies over the last 11, 12 years. We have a strong relationship, a partnership really with Fujitsu, and we've been working with them on a number of projects, ranging from being an early ambassador through to having this business centre that we have now, and latterly now working on an AI workshop, trying to establish use cases for a private GPT within the college.
In terms of Derby College and Fsas Technologies, we have worked together historically in regards to how to fully sort of integrate digital solutions to really drive forward education and really lead the way in those educational technologies. Events like today are hugely important because both industry and technology and education really need to go hand in hand to ensure that our students are really going to get the best and most immediate understanding of how things actually work. Industry brings that insight, that cutting edge that they really need to see that education doesn't always have direct access to.
We've set up this AI workshop today in partnership with Fsas Technologies. The aim really is to understand the needs of our organisation, and that's really difficult when we don't really know the art of the possible. So we've brought representatives from all across the college into one room. We're demonstrating what AI could do and what private GPT can do, and then it's up to their imaginations really to come up with ideas for where we could implement this, where we could see real improvements and benefit for the college.
We have attendees from all over the college, from teachers, from faculty, from marketing, finance, IT. Really good mix, which means that we can understand a lot of individual use cases and actually how teachers and faculty heads and departments see AI as part of their strategy.
The workshop today has been really beneficial, so not only have we had the experts that are actually demonstrating the product and seeing what we can do to develop it, but we've got a whole range of different people from the organisation, so all of those people are giving their view of what they want from it.
The idea with these workshops is you have a really good brainstorm, interactive discussion, which accelerates quickly into proof of concept, and then hopefully quickly into production. And we're really excited that the AI use cases that we find today will hopefully have benefit to the students and to the teachers of the college very fast.
Just having someone guide you through the process of thinking about where it could be used can really help to get this started. Buying something of an AI system is not hard. Getting value out of it and actually using it effectively can be hard.
With machine learning, you put data into an algorithm and
I think most people have played a bit with AI, such as ChatGPT, and plan their holiday and things like that. But that's another thing than using it effectively in a business context, making it repeated, making it widely adopted.
AI is going to be fundamental. We talk about the digital landscape and digital transformation and digital disruption. I think AI is going to be the one thing that's going to disrupt and improve that education landscape.
Education is a really important sector for us. It's one where we've put a lot of focus in the past with our ambassador programs, champions programs, and the next iteration of that this year is our AI champions program. And actually what we're doing here at Derby College is the blueprint of what we want to be doing with education establishments across the UK to help them shape their AI strategy, find the right use cases, and then move them into proof of concept into production. And this is something we want to be doing with colleges, universities, schools, independent schools all across the country. It's a big focus for us this coming year.